friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Today, first we'll discuss a little bit about global market and its effect on our Indian market, and then we'll analyze the Nifty, and then we'll discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for coming week. So to know the level for Nifty in next week, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for weekly update of Nifty. So let's start with the global market. What's happening in the global market? See, it was down. Dow Jones DJI was down. S&P 500 was down, and even Nasdaq was down. So our Indian market was also actually in last week was getting affected by the US market, as it is obvious, it is very normal thing. So what happened in US? Our Indian market have started to correct after एक रैली थी उसमें वन डे रैली, देन आफ्टर दैट इट स्टार्टेड टू करेक्ट. सो निफ्टी 50 एक्चुअली शायद वो 400 तक भी पहुंच गया था, अराउंड 400, 19,400 आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो रीजन क्या है? व्हाट वाज द रीजन फॉर दिस होल वीक falling of the Nifty, even Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both? So reason was actually the primarily on account of a downgrade of the US debt status. Yes, US debt इसका status downgrade कर दिया है किसने? फिच रेटिंग कंपनी है, तो फिच रेटिंग ने यूएस डेट का स्टेटस डाउन कर दिया है, उसको डाउनग्रेड किया है. So this was actually negative news in the US market, the actually global market, and this affected our Indian market also. So because of that, Indian market was also falling in last week. People think actually कि ये this should actually affect only, this is the problem of the US, why it's India is getting affected by this news. So नहीं, this is the global market और US में कुछ भी होता है that always affect the Indian market because this is the largest economy of the world. So इसका क्या इफेक्ट रहेगा, इवन नेक्स्ट वीक में क्या होने वाला है? लेट्स विल डिस्कस ऑन टेक्निकल चार्ट. सो लेट्स गो टू द chart of Nifty 50. Let's discuss Nifty 50, what is happening there. What happened in last week? For the whole week, even 1 2 3 4 5 days, whole week, Nifty 50 was working, Indian stock market was working. So 1 2 3 4 5 days last week, Nifty was falling only, and it has first it has taken it was in green, and it has taken a resistance here 19,800 around. Yes, 19,800 के आसपास ने एक resistance लिया, and the next day, very next day, from there only it has started falling down, and back to back 1 2 3 it was falling only. मतलब यहाँ से लेके 19,800 से लेके it has touched the level of 19,300 also. Friday it has taken a little bit reversal, which is showing little bit positive in market. So let's see what happened, because in this situation we cannot decide what is going to happen. So let's see, this actually candle is not actually decisive also, so we have to see in next week what is going to happen. But ये बैक टू बैक जो फॉलिंग हुई है इन निफ्टी 50 में, दिस इज शोइंग little bit concerned. But अभी भी still Nifty is in positive zone. uh, uh, it is actually taken a 20 EMA it has taken a 20 EMA support also. यहाँ पे आके उसने एक सपोर्ट भी लिया है, it taken a support here also and took little bit reversal. अब यही देखना है कि ये रिवर्सल कितना सक्सेसफुल है, कितना आगे जाता है. सो एक रेंज आई कैन क्रिएट अ रेंज विच इज एक्चुअली Nifty 50 going may take in next week, may trade in this range next week. That can be ये रेजिस्टेंस तो मैंने बता ही दिया है कि 19,800 पे इसने ऑलरेडी एक रेजिस्टेंस ले लिया है और यहीं से गिरना शुरू हुआ है बैक टू बैक 3 दिन तक, और नीचे के लेवल पे यहाँ पे आके इसने एक सपोर्ट लिया। सो आई कैन सी द रेंज between the Nifty 50 can trade in next week can be 19,300 to 19,800. So Nifty 50 level for coming week can be 19,300 to 19,800. Now let's discuss the Nifty Bank. What is happening in Nifty Bank? निफ्टी बैंक थोड़ा निफ्टी 50 से ज़्यादा नेगेटिव था, नेगेटिव लग रहा है बिकॉज इसने 50 ईएमए को भी ब्रेक करने की कोशिश की है. इट हैज़ ट्राइड टू ब्रेक दिस मूविंग एवरेज, so it is looking more negative, but the same thing happening in the Nifty Bank also. See, same thing, 1 2 3 back to back 3 days it was falling only, and it has taken support here and then took last Friday took a little bit very small reversal. Can predict a range for next week for Nifty Bank. That can be the actually यहाँ पे भी इसने 1 2 3 तीन बार बैक टू बैक इसने 1 2 3 3 दिन तक यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया जो कि अराउंड 800 है, 45,800 है. यस, 45,800 के बाद से इसने गिरना शुरू कर दिया और यहाँ पे आके इसने जो कि पुराना भी इसका एक रेजिस्टेंस था 1 2 3 4 मतलब एक 3 4 बार इसने यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया है. तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट, बहुत ही वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट ऑफ द निफ्टी बैंक विच इज़ 44,300. 44,300. Nifty Bank trading range for coming week can be 44,300 to 45,700. Regular update for Nifty. Stay connected to the channel. Signing off.